Hello everyone, welcome to your first class of Basics of English Grammar. My name is Nisha. I have started this channel to help students understand the concepts of English grammar better and to speak English fluently. In case you have any doubts, all you need to do is leave a comment and I'll get back to you. Do not forget to subscribe for the weekly videos. Every word has a different function and belongs to one of the 8 categories known as the parts of speech. In this class, I will be giving you an introduction of the 8 parts of speech. Nouns. What are nouns? Nouns is a word that is used to name a person, place, thing or feeling. Let's take examples of the same. Person. My name is Nisha. Nisha is a noun. Jack, Kate, people, these are all nouns. Place, school, buildings, church, all these are nouns. Thing, this pen, this board, all these are nouns. Feeling, anger, courage, joy, all these are nouns. Here are a few examples of nouns. Man, child, city, beach, ideas like religion, peace, justice, and many more. Let's move on. What is a pronoun? A pronoun is a word used in place of one or more nouns. Let's take this example. Kate is my neighbor. Kate is a good girl. Now if you see, the word Kate is repeated in both the sentences, which makes it boring and monotonous. Now let's replace the word Kate in the second sentence with a pronoun. Kate is my neighbor. She is a good girl. Similarly, in case of a masculine gender, the pronoun changes to he, and in case of plural, it changes to they. These are the commonly used pronouns. Here, the first person pronouns are used to refer to oneself and things that happen to us. We use the pronouns I, me, we or us. The second person pronoun represents a person you are speaking to. We use the pronoun you in this case. The third person pronoun represents a third person being talked about. We use pronouns like he, she, it, they, or them in this case. Adjectives. An adjective describes a noun or a pronoun. Basically, it gives us more information about a noun or pronoun. It gives us information like quality, quantity, size, number, and so on. Let's understand this with the help of a few examples. For example, she has a beautiful house. Beautiful is the adjective. She has a big dog. She has 3 children. The number 3 gives you more information about the number of children that she has. Did you have enough food? Enough here represents quantity. Thus, adjective helps you to get more information about a noun or a pronoun. A verb. A verb is a word that expresses an action or a state. Every sentence in the English language has a verb. Let's understand it better. He plays football. Here plays is the doing word. That is, it is the verb. She cut a cake. Cut here is the verb. Now, talking about a verb as a state. Milk is white. Here, can you identify the verb? There is no doing verb. There is. Is the verb in this sentence. Milk is white in this sentence is a state. And thus is the verb of the sentence. Adverb. An adverb describes a verb, an adjective or another adverb. Let's understand this with the help of an example. She sings beautifully. She is very talented. In the first sentence, she sings. Sings is the verb, and the word that describes the verb beautifully is the adverb. Most adverbs end with the word ly. She is very talented. The word very here describes the word talented, which is an adjective. The word very is the adverb. The adverb usually answers questions like what, how often, and so on. Prepositions. A preposition shows the relationship between a noun, pronoun, and other words in a sentence. Let's take for example, the book is on the table. The cat is under the bed. Here, the words on and under are the prepositions. A few other commonly used prepositions are above, below, on, off, and so on. Here is a list of prepositions we use in our daily lives. Let's identify the prepositions in these sentences. This book belongs to Peter. To here is the preposition. She drew the picture with a crayon. With here is the preposition. Conjunctions. A conjunction joins two words or sentences. For example, Tom and Jerry are friends. Here, the nouns Tom and Jerry are joined together with the word and. This conjunction can also be used to join sentences. She did not come to school yesterday as she was unwell. The word as here is a conjunction. Thus, the conjunction helps to join two or more words or sentences. A few more examples on the use of conjunctions. I got wet because I forgot my umbrella. Because is the conjunction. Do you drink tea or coffee? Or here is a conjunction. And finally, the last one, interjection. An interjection expresses sudden feeling or emotion. Wow! Hooray! Oops! These are commonly used interjections. However, interjections are mostly used in spoken English, and in case they are written down with an exclamation mark. Wow! That is a wonderful surprise. In this sentence, wow is used to show amazement. Oops, I dropped the bag. Oops in this sentence shows regret. Let's now summarize all that we have learned today so that you can remember all the concepts properly. A noun is a word used to name a person, place, thing, or feeling. A pronoun is used in place of a noun to avoid repetition. He, she, you, they, it are all examples of pronouns. Adjectives provide information about nouns or pronouns. They answer questions to quality, size, number, and quantity. A verb, also known as a doing word, is used to describe an action or a state. An adverb describes a verb, an adjective, or another adverb. Many adverbs end with ly. A preposition shows the relationship between a noun, a pronoun, and other words in a sentence. A conjunction helps to join words or sentences. And, so, because, however, are all examples of conjunctions. An interjection expresses a sudden feeling or emotion. Interjections are mostly used in spoken English. However, if they are written down with an exclamation mark. If you like the video, do not forget to share, like, and subscribe. Tune into my channel next week for a practice exercise on parts of speech. Until then, goodbye.